it have any brakes?
Not really. Not half as bad as it used to. It's leaking gas. Get down here with a dozer, bring in some fill. That mini bike, she's just a chugging, burning so much oil. We got it running on, I don't know if you can tell what that is, but that's straight Lucas high mileage oil stabilizer, because it's a lot thicker, so it doesn't get past the rings as easy. But yeah, that's what that mini bike's running off of. Man, this trail's pretty rough. More of a snowmobile trail for in the wintertime when there's a couple foot of snow over it. Oh, Carson ate the dirt! No, bud! You stalled it. You good? But this road is so good.
Oh, that can't be good for your soul.
Woo! The boys, we done killed the mini bike. Carson.
What's left of the handle?
Fucking.
Oh no, not the deal.
coming down fucking Moon Hill, she decided to lock up.
Is this mine? Yeah.
Dude. I can't believe it.
Fuck. You can't?
Dude, we made it all the way to the outpost.
When I heard the RPM, I was like, dude, it's gonna lock up.
Dude, we made it all the way to the outpost, and then it dies at the top of Moon Hill.
Yeah, dude, no, I was literally saying in my helmet, I'm like, Carson's gonna go down that hill and eat shit. I'm like, no, I'm gonna see Carson get hurt. I was like crying.